Did you know that it's possible to put a VPN on an Amazon Fire TV stick? It's true, and I'm going to show you how. Now, why would you want to put a VPN on an Amazon Fire TV stick? Well, for me, for example, when I was traveling around China, I wanted to be able to go in and watch shows on a TV in a hotel room that I wanted to watch. Now, normally I'd have to do that on my computer, but by having my Amazon Fire TV stick, I was able to plug it into the TV in the hotel room, connect it to the hotel Wi-Fi, and then because I had ExpressVPN installed on my Fire Stick, I was able to watch the shows that I normally want to watch. Now, how does that work? Once you buy your Fire Stick and you open up the box, you'll notice that it comes with the actual stick, it comes with an extender, it comes with the plug, and of course you've got the remote. Once you plug that in and get everything up and running, you're going to be looking for different apps. The Amazon Fire TV Stick has plenty of apps to choose from, but what you're looking for is what's known as a VPN, or a virtual private network. You probably already know that. There are a number of VPNs to choose from, but the one that I recommend is one called ExpressVPN. The reason I recommend it is that it is very simple to use, to install, and it makes things very uncomplicated. So as you're searching for that, you're going to install that app onto your Amazon TV stick, and then you're going to insert your credentials, your username and your password that will give you access to all the different servers, the hundreds of servers, I think thousands of servers all across the world that's going to allow you to watch different content. Now, once that's the case, you open up the app and you're going to choose what server you want. You're going to click the big power button, and once you see that light up green, you know that you're connected to ExpressVPN. Once you do that, you can connect to any of the other apps. We're talking ABC, ESPN, HBO, Netflix, and you'll be able to watch the content that is normally geo-restricted as you're traveling around the world. If you have any questions about how to get this set up, if anything wasn't very clear to you, then go ahead and leave those in the comments below. I also have links to both the Fire Stick and ExpressVPN in the description below. If you use those links, you'll get an added bonus, such as an extra 3 months of service on ExpressVPN when you buy the 12-month subscription. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great week.